Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth puzzle. The fourth puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on a Friday. Yes, Friday, February the 3rd, 2023, almost weekend, and I've already solved three puzzles. The Sudoku with 3 stars, the Sudoku with 4 stars, and the binary, and it's now time for the Tectonic. Tectonic with 4 stars. And in Dutch they call it cyberblock. In Japanese, Suguru, and this will be number 5904. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. 16, well, I don't think it's a hard one. Alright, but it's indicated with 4 stars, and for a 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? I see here only one single box. Single box is always a 1. Do we have here in this puzzle dual boxes? No dual boxes. Triple boxes then. I see only one triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, those 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2. Should be here. The other 2 numbers should be the 1 or a 3. 1 or a 3. Alright. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Well, it can be a 5 here, because we already have a 5 here in the same area. So this box should be a 4. And same for the other side. The box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Well, it's, yeah, I need more information. I cannot tell. Yeah, 4 or a 5. More triple boxes? No. Quadra boxes then. I see here 1 quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, the 1 and the 2 is already filled in, so these 2 boxes will be the 3 and the 4. More quadra boxes? No. Then the following strategy. Yeah, the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Yeah. For example, the T shape. We have here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. Alright. And also, that box has the same number as this box. Alright. Only one T shape. Alright. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Here, the L shape. Mirrored. Yes. When you see the L shape, let me draw this here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes in this puzzle? Yeah, here, rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 3 here. 1 or a 3. But we already have a 1 here. So it can be a 1 there. So this box should be a 3. And it's connected with that box, should be also a 3. 1 digit left in this triple box for number 1 then. Alright. More L shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Yeah, let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, do we have more of these kind of shapes in this puzzle here? Yeah, next to it. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yes, we have here 1, 2, 3, 3 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. By the way, we have here 3, maximum 6. But not in this puzzle, yes. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. This box can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a double 1 here now. Well, if I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes, so this box can be a 1 anymore. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. These are 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright, this box can be a 2. That box, these 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. These 3 boxes surround a 2 can be a 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It should be here. Then let me see. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. And then this box is connected with that box, so also 3 or a 5. Okay. Then. This box can be a 1. This box can also not be a 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. I have a double 1 here. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So not the solution, place the 1 there. The 1 should be here. Alright. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this T-shaped area. It should be there. So 2 numbers are left in this area, in T-shaped area for numbers 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3, and this box is connected with that box 1 or a 3, but we already have a 1 here in this area. So it can be 1 anymore. This box should be a 3. Is connected with that box should be also a 3. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for the number 1. Now we have 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 2. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4. Can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Well. These 2 boxes can be a 5. Those 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Then this box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. And this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It should be here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Well, I cannot place the 4 there because we have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 4 then, and that box should be a 5. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore, that box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. Alright, I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 3 or a 4. Yeah, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. So 2 numbers left now. Oh, I've marked this box with 3 or a 5. Well, it can be a 3 now, because it's in the same area. So this box should be a 5. Is connected with that box, should be also 5. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Here we have also 1 box left in this area for number 4 then. Okay. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. We have a 5 now. So this can't be a 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. And the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and the 2. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Wow. These 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2. Can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Then. Well, we have a double 3 there. And I've marked those 2 boxes with 3. I cannot place the 3 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 3 there. The only place left for the 3 is supposed to be here. Alright, these 3 boxes surround the 3, can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Then let me think. Yeah. Well. Let me go up. These 3 boxes surround the 3, can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area, it should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area, it should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. For the 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright, these 3 boxes surround the 2, can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 2 anymore, because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be a 2, but also that box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. For the 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4. Those 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. So I've eliminated the 1. I need a 1 here. So the 1 goes there. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes here. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. 4 and a 5. We have a 4 now. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright. This box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. And I need a 1 here. Okay. Well, this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 here. So here I cannot place a 1, because if I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. This can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Okay, 2 numbers are left in this L-shaped area for numbers 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 4 and a 5. But we already have a 4 here in the same area, so it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. Is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 4. 1 box left in this area for number 2. And I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. Now we have a 2 here, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this area for number 1. Alright. And now, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Well, told you cannot be a 4 stars. Can I be a 3 stars? Let me give this 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. Well, who cares? I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching and have a great and fantastic Friday. Yes, it's weekend. So see you tomorrow. Tomorrow, new day, new puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.